So here are your takeaways. Develop a persuasive argument, meaning that your personal statement is a sales presentation. Answer the question asked. Understand the differences. Understand the anchor. What is the personal statement asking of you? Tailor the personal statement to each college undergraduate program. Research additional personal statements you might need for your admissions application. So a lot of times that one personal statement is for the main entrance into the admission into the institution, but then your department might have a personal statement. And if there's instructions that basically suggest you can use the same personal statement from admissions for that department, go ahead and use it. But if there is a different writing prompt you want to write to that prompt, be sure to close any gaps in your application. Most applications would not would not continue. If you receive an email from an institution saying you need to close out the gap in your application, make sure you do that. Otherwise, they cannot continue on with that application. Research your intended major and intended career field to write from an informed point of view. So that's very important. You don't want to come off as a know-it-all, but you do want to come off with the understanding that it's going to take X amount of years for you to complete the levels you need to complete for that particular degree program, as well as your intended career objective. Revise your personal statement. Know that your personal statement is a work in progress, subject to further revision as you add knowledge, experiences, and completion of goals. So remember, this one personal statement is not the only one you are going to write. You might write an additional personal statement throughout your academic career. You might write one for the professional arena, depending upon the intended career objective. So these are the sources you want to think about and look at. So Bureau of Labor Statistics, the Duckworth and Gross source, and then of course writing the personal statement from Purdue OWL. Thank you so very much for listening to this audio lecture of the personal statement. Please take some time to review it again for particular key points. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification button for further audio lectures. Thank you for visiting the channel.